Hello guys, how doing good? Today I'll show you how to make HTML table. You can use any editor like Sublime Text or VS Code. Now I'm using VS Code. So let's start. This is my editor and this is my preview panel. All right. So if I want to like make HTML table, so first I make the HTML basic markup. This is the basic markup. If you use editor, then you can take this feature from VS Code. Okay, so now I write here how to make HTML table, right? So if you want to make table, then you can write table tag like HTML table, right? If you want to use like shortcut like table, and if you use this, it's easy. Like this one recommend from my editor, I mean IDE. So if you want to make table, then you should like table header and table body. So first we need another tag t head, right? Then you should take one tier. Tier means table raw. Then one again t head. Alright, t is one t head. Now you can write like this one, like number, name, and location. All right, so now you can make t table body. You see my editor recommends some field name, I mean sorry, tag name. So if you want to like new tag, you need t body. Then again we need table raw, then table raw, then table data. Same as if you need more data, then you make more tier, then another data like this. If you want a border, you just add border. You can add value 1, 2, 3, I mean border size like this. Also you can add like style, style style, and you can add other style like this. You see, if you want to write custom CSS also you can write, but this my editor recommend this one. So if I remove this one, like all style code I'll remove. Okay, so we can write background color. Background color you can write solid color or code like code. Red also you can add. You see, you can add like background color. This one, it's not like so you can add below like this, and color this one. So guys, you should practice long time. If you practice long time, then you can write more than professional design. I just show you just simple table. So thanks for the watching. Thank you so much. Bye bye.